Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Things Around USA. If you own 2013 to 2018 BMW X5, you might run into the trunk rattle noise issue. Keep in mind that not all the trunk rattle noise issues are the same. Today I am going to show you one of the trunk rattle noise that I have encountered. So let's take a look at it, shall we? Alright, here is the back side of the trunk. The issue that I have with this vehicle now is the rattle noise come from the backside of the trunk. And every time that I run this vehicle at 15 or 20 miles per hour on the unlevel ground. When I say the unlevel ground, I don't mean that this vehicle have to run back and forth on the speed bump, but any unlevel ground in this backside of the trunk will generate rattle noise. So after I track it down to find out where the noise come from, and I found out that the noise come from this surface on the bottom of the trunk and the other surface up here on the trunk door. When the door closed and this surface right here contact with this surface on the bottom, and if this vehicle to run on unlevel ground, these two surfaces rubbing together and generate the rattle noise. What I did to eliminate the noise, that I get the machine grease rubbing on this surface here and then rubbing on the other surface on the door, and this rattle noise went away. So when I say grease, I don't mean that rubbing like a cooking oil, but I mean the machine grease. So this would help to eliminate the rattle noise on come from the trunk on the uh, 2013 to 2018 BMW X5. So hoping that this video can help you to eliminate one of your rattle noise on your car. If any questions or comments, drop me a line below. So again, I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching this video.